No. Don't actually. Please, no.
Come on.
Just don't put it on YouTube.
I thought we were making a video to go on YouTube.
We should both do it. Okay, what are you doing? We should probably choreograph this a little more. Yeah, do it. I was trying to say this one. Yes. Yeah. Or what's that thing where they can jump over their own leg? Oh god. That's not something I could do. But they do it lower. They're always like, oh god, I can't do it either way. Break an ankle. Where does that come in? I don't know exactly what this is, but... Kayla, do you want to dance with us? Yeah, come on, we could be Kayla, Conley, Kayla. It'd be K-K-K. That's racist.
Gary, you want to dance with us?
Yeah. Oh, and at the end we have to just do it like this, back to back. Just, we're cool. We just did that. There's no music playing. Oh god. Alright, I'm over it. I'm sorry.
Gary.
No.
What are you boiling in water for?
I think Kayla's gonna make herself some
Oh, I thought you boiled.
Alfredo. No.
I'm over it. No one's gonna watch it. It's retarded.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I will.
Look up.